Today we received a Ferrari F430 cluster. A repairing shop sent it to us for repair. The cluster doesn't light up as it should. It's a very common issue, actually. Let's see it ourselves first. Check the pinout from the manual. Now give it power and check what's the problem. From manual we have all pinning. The instrument is now turning on, but there is no backlight, so it doesn't look as bright. The instrument is now lit, but the backlight isn't. Test done. Let's remove wiring and disassemble the cluster. Mostly the issue comes from this damaged component. Let's replace this one and we should have solved it. First remove the one on the cluster. There's a little connector here to pay attention to. Mount the new one. Reconnect all and test again. Now the cluster lights as it should. We just need to reassemble it. Let's test it again now. The cluster lights up normally. Repair complete. If you need one of these repairs or a component to repair these clusters, contact us.